We had a little car meet, a little JDM joint. Sound good. This right here? I like the carbon on it, I ain't gonna lie. Carbon going crazy on it. Good fire. Damn, this a whole crew. Talk about unity. They got unity all right. They pulled up. Yeah, this one's I like. You don't like those, huh? I like them 2 doors. I bet, but I didn't think they was gonna come early like that. I ain't gonna cap. I was like, shit. I thought we would be coming at the right time, like right when everything pulling up, really. 4-door, that's different. Yeah, so I guess we came late. They was talking about people showed up at like 9. There's still some stuff pulling in, some stuff leaving, but it's crazy, man. No, this mess loud. The TL. I like these too. RSX, I like these. The sunroof, that man's stupid clean right there.
I wanted one of these before I got my inside.
This? Yeah, isn't this what she got? I ain't never seen them tricked out like this though. I was looking for one of these. I like this blue. This blue hard. Oh, he got the NKs on him too. That man's dumb clean right there. That man's hard. Check out his page. This man's hard right here. Got fresh black on it too. Okay. I don't know nothing about these little Infinities. I just know they quick. I give them that. Them things quick as hell. It's a turbo? Oh, damn. This little thing pretty quick. That's a VA joint too.
Yeah, LS 400.
Yeah. Ain't a super. It's about the best thing we seen here. Right hand drive too. That shit fire. I like it.
Oh, my bad.
You good.